King William's March. So marches are typically in 4/4 or 2/4, 2/2. So that we have 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to emulate that as we play this. Knowing what style we play in helps the piece and helps others to get into it as well. So first things first, we need to look at our road map. We have 2 repeat signs in this, technically 3. We play the first 2 lines twice, then we play the second 2 lines twice. So if you need to, draw in some brackets with different colors so you know where to repeat back to. We are in D major once again, so we have high 2s other than on our E string. We have that low 2 on our E string. Lots of big bows. We have more accents. D, A, D, really big bows. And we have some slurs as well. So let's go for it. Make sure you read through it first. Pluck through it if you want. Shadow bow. Whatever you need or want to. All of it is extremely beneficial. 1, 2, 3.